Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. In this video we will explore some unknown story about the Toyota Production System, TPS. We will also explore the two key pillars of TPS, key concepts, Muda, Mura, Muri, along with essential TPS tools, benefits, and real-world applications of TPS. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, what is Toyota Production System? Toyota Production System, TPS, is a manufacturing philosophy developed by Toyota to improve efficiency, quality, and productivity. It focuses on eliminating waste, optimizing resources, and continuously improving processes. TPS is the foundation of lean manufacturing and has influenced industries worldwide. The system is built on two key pillars, just-in-time, JIT, and Jidoka. Just-in-time ensures that production happens only when there is demand, reducing excess inventory and waste. Jidoka, or automation with a human touch, ensures quality by stopping production when a defect is detected. This prevents defective products from moving forward in the process. TPS emphasizes waste reduction using the concept of Muda, Mura, and Muri. Muda refers to unnecessary waste in processes, Mura is unevenness in workflow, and Muri means overburdening people or machines. By eliminating these, companies achieve a smooth and efficient production flow. Another key component of TPS is the Heijunka or production leveling. It balances workload to avoid fluctuations and ensure a steady workflow. This minimizes delays and maximizes efficiency. The other key elements of TPS are Kanban, 5S, Poka-Yoke, Andon system. Kanban, a visual signaling system, is used to manage inventory and workflow by pulling materials only when needed. 5S methodology is an integral part of TPS, promoting workplace organization through sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Poka-Yoke, or mistake proofing, is used to prevent errors before they occur. The Andon system is another essential feature of TPS. Successful TPS implementation requires a strong organizational culture, leadership commitment, and employee involvement. Companies that follow TPS gain a competitive edge by continuously improving operations and delivering high-quality products efficiently. And that's a wrap. So you now understand what is Toyota Production System? And why this is important to understand. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. We would love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world and turn on the notification button so that you do not miss our upcoming powerful videos. Let us know what type of videos you want to watch in the coming times on the Lean Six Sigma topics. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time and I will see you in the next powerful video.